demonstration is our constitutional right. Come, I'm against destroying this country, Musie. Onongaziko kupasi kali, that's criminal activity. That's not human rights, that's criminal. Me Musie me, in fact, I'm laughing kudi paimuntwina wako Zimbabwe. Akuzakeni Debra Muchena, the director wa Gulotero Amnesty International. This is our human rights group. I've worked before in my former life as an international lawyer and human rights lawyer. Nagwa Children Amnesty International is a very good organization. For my years, the issue statement attacking me, and I made this person, he came here about 2 years ago, and the same time he came, I don't want to see him, because it's a waste of time to see him. But in any event, like that issue statement attacking the government, kuti kungbira, police kungbira ntambo, sembereka, the Trump is violation of human rights. When human rights, katseka nyumba ya president, human rights? Human rights, kuseka nyumba ya president, means that you are putting the president under arrest. And anybody trying to put the president under arrest, that's treason. That's not a human right, it's treason. And they better stop it. And in Mawa, I'm telling the army and the police to stop it. Use all the force necessary, because it's foolishness. Enough is enough, enough. It must stop. It must stop. Now, what does it mean? Now, these organizations, these international organizations, 1 year ago, United Nations, UNAIDS, and I will have Kwatone Jero, Nukmane Nakote, Antawe, Sembereka, the Trumpets, and Abandra. I got misused in drama, I think it was 50 million, the United Nations aid. My charge, it's not that charge. I could human rights violation. I could find my human rights, and got Kuba, Kakutani, Konungazintu, they cannot be arrested to find human rights. I don't know what human rights are talking about. I spent 40 years teaching international human rights law at some of the best universities in the world. I did that. I know what human rights are like. Undumbava, destroying property, Kifamba is not human rights. Kuba ndalama da UN is human rights. Kila mukaseke nyumba president. So when you say you want to show the state house, it means you are going to put the president under arrest. That's not human rights. That you will not allow. I will tell those international organizations, whether in Zimbabwe or Geneva, would you better get your act together, because you don't know what you are talking about. What is happening in this country is not human rights. It's destroying this country. This country has been destroyed. Infrastructure has been destroyed, and you call it human rights? You must be idiots if you think this is human rights.